Hi, today in front of me Motorola One 5G Ace, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first you should just see if the Google Fit is activated. So if you want to turn it off, you should just first hold with your finger the home screen, then click to home settings and tap to swipe access section. After that, switch Google Fit to nothing. Now let's go back to the home screen, and we can see when we just swipe with the finger, we can see that this option successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again, hold for a while the screen with your finger, click to the home settings, tap to swipe access and switch nothing to Google Fit. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.